Okay,
Hello
go.
friends, now we are going to see the harvest of brinjal. So come, let's see the harvest of brinjal. So first we will harvest this brinjal. So this is big in size. So see, and now here another brinjal we are harvesting. So two brinjals, and this is third brinjal. And here also another fourth brinjal we are going to harvest. Can you see? And then here another one brinjal is there, fifth brinjal. So friends, today we have harvested 5 brinjals in our garden. So thanks friends. Hello friends, in today's video we are going to harvest some tomatoes from our garden. So actually these tomatoes are little bit small and green in color only. So this much size it has came, and these tomatoes are nearly about 2 weeks old. So if they are green in color also, we can put them in sambar. So for that we are going to harvest the tomatoes. First we will harvest this. This tomato has been in the plant for the past 2 weeks. So we have harvested the tomato. So nice organic tomato. So I think this much size only it will come, because for many days, 2 weeks it is in the plant, but it didn't grow big after this size. So we should not see the quantity or size, we should see the quality. So quality, it is very good, organic. And second tomato. So this is also another tomato in the same size. And here this is little bit bigger. So these 3 tomatoes we have harvested, and we are going to put it in the sambar. Now we are going to do the harvest of brinjal. So if you see all over the plant, there are many small brinjal babies also. So first we will harvest brinjal. This brinjal a lot we will harvest. Friends, now we have harvested some drumstick tree leaf for making this sambar. So I will show you how much we have harvested. So this much is enough for making sambar with drumstick leaf. So if you see, there are still many drumstick leaf all over my drumstick tree, but it will grow again and again if we harvest also. Hello friends, a very good morning to everyone. Now we are going to harvest one brinjal. So let's harvest it.